Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by picking the right tool. A flatbed scanner for photos or a phone app for quick pages. Set 300/600 dpi for readable text and choose color if photos matter. Otherwise, B/W saves space. Once done, pick your output format, PDF for multi-page documents, JPEG for single images, and point the save destination to a prepared folder or cloud drive so files land where you expect them. Next, capture each page carefully. Align the document, use auto crop and perspective correction so edges are straight. Apply OCR to make the text searchable, and verify language settings to improve accuracy. Once scanned, refine images by increasing contrast, removing background noise, and rotating pages as needed. Make sure to split multi-page scans or merge single images into a single PDF when appropriate, because organized files save time later. Finally, save with a consistent naming convention, date, key tag, and version, so you can find files quickly. Back up to both local and cloud storage and enable automatic sync to prevent data loss. Once saved, open the files to verify image quality and OCR accuracy. Correct any misreads or rescans immediately. If something goes wrong, recheck scanner settings, ensure the glass is clean, and redo the page to avoid compounding errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.